Here I have HUAWEI Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So if you want to record screen, you just have to go to the upper bar, find the button screen recorder here, and just tap on it once, and after that recording starts. You can switch your microphone here. You can record screen. As you can see, it shows where I drag my finger. So if you want to stop recording, just tap on this red button, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery. As you can see, I can't access any other settings for the screen recording, even when I hold my finger on this button, which is misfortune, I guess. So let's find our recording. They will be saved to the videos album, and here you can see our recording. Recording starts. You can switch your microphone. And from here you can share, edit, or delete your screenshot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.